Hi everybody, Jody Marketplace Boutique. So I'm on a walk and I thought, let's make some custom badges for fall. Look how pretty all the colors are around here. I think it's a perfect time to switch out those badges. So I thought, hey, let's teach everybody how to make their own badges. Yes, it's so pretty out here. Fall time. Okay, so here's my channel, Marketplace Boutique. And I'm going to go over here to this little icon here. You go to your YouTube studio on your desktop. Then you're going to come down here to Earn, right here in the tabs on the sidebar. You're going to click on Earn. Then up here is Overview, Memberships, Supers, and Shopping. You're going to click the memberships. Then over here you have levels and customize default perks, and you're going to click the customize. Now at the top is badges, emoji, and other features. So you're going to want to be in the badges to create a special badge for your members. Yay. So normally when I just set up my memberships, I use the generic YouTube badges. But today we're going to create our own, upload my own. Now, I've only been doing this for a couple months, and as you can see, it goes up to after 60 months. Amazing. But for me, it's been, I think, less than 6 months, so I am going to add my own here. So the new members, I'm going to go orange. After 1 month, what should we do next? Should we go in order, or should we mix it up a little bit? Let's see. Let's do blue. How about blue? Open. After 2 months. How about purple? After 6 months. Green. And I think I did one more color. So we're going to go here. After 12 months, you're going to get a hot pink one. Yay! Look at my cute little colors. And then all you're going to do is hit the save and publish. And now you will have some adorable badges to use. And here are my current members. Thank you so much, members. Oh, look, it even shows. Look. Oh, I didn't even know that. This is great. So Ashley Reed, Backyard Trucker, they get the blue ones because they've been joined for over a month. And look at these happy little pumpkins. Oh my goodness, this is so fun. A striker. Michael's Adventure, Sweet Melissa, the Bud Files. They all get these cute little blue ones. So the Bud Files, all these have gotten some pumpkins. Different colors. Oh, I'm so excited. This is exciting, you guys. Yay! I hope you enjoy this. Have super fun. Have a fabulous day, everybody. Bye.